Egbuoma marama, Egbuoma marama, obodo ma Chineke, Egbuoma marama.
In Imo State, Egbuoma Ancient Kingdom is one of the towns that make up Uguta local government area. Blessed with fertile lands, the good people of Egbuoma are naturally hardworking.
Portion by portion, and then when I long I was ready teacher, baby, I like a suwa. I want to hear the car. Elibo, I like one gata. What's ya? Uzo, one papa, one boat, baby, I like Uba. Who does a dear the Roma? You reba who may road, dear. Tap it, before you reba.
Besides being an oil producing area, the array of farm produce on sale at affordable rates in the Egbuoma is a testament to Egbuoma people's commitment to feeding the nation. But despite doing their parts in the never-ending difficult task of nation building, Egbuoma people are not adequately appreciated given the poor state of their roads and other social amenities when put side by side those of their neighboring communities.
Egbuoma has been one of the towns that is supporting whatever that's going in Uguta local government. Even in Imo State, Egbuoma road was abandoned. Then that of Uguta was constructed very well and stopped at the boundary. We are calling government attention to look at it and know how to help us.
They have seen it all. Our road is very bad. Just that we are trying to maintain all these places. There are some other places that cannot be easily passed.
Abandoned government projects distort the beautiful landscape.
Since the materials like desk, fan, fridge and reading materials was brought to this place, we have been expecting the people to commence work. Up till now, nothing is going on in this school. Actually, government has spent money on this particular project. It needs to be established, to put into process so that people of this community can gain admission here. Employment will be empowered, and people from other states will also come here to learn.
This is the road that the whole of people from Ubramehi, people of Ubahodra, and the whole of Ubokum people, they apply this road. It's through this road they go to their farms and connect our neighboring community of Semoto. You can see that our people no longer use this road. It has been abandoned. Our people are disadvantaged. Who remember 2009, 2010? This road was awarded by the NGDC and it was abandoned. You can see that some little thing they did here and they left it. They abandoned it. Since 2000, nothing has been done here.
Now, what has Egbuoma done about these ugly situations?
We are the people that is using our hands in order to maintain this road to this extent. So except to the individuals or the community efforts, no government or no assistance in order to make this place a better road.
What do they want from governments and public-spirited individuals?
By the time the rain comes in, you can't pass this road to get to the market. The state government should force the contractor to return to site.
Only thing to bring graders, caterpillars, make grade the road.
Individuals are making serious effort to rehabilitate our people. This project is an individual effort. So I'm calling on the sons and daughters of this community to emulate these initiatives.
By this time next season, may it be that Egbuoma people's prayers have been answered and answered most satisfactorily. Amen. From Egbuoma Ancient Kingdom in Uguta local government area is being Weko Takbegede for Egbuoma Patriotic and Action Movement.